On this video today, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, sign up for a free account so that you can get affiliate offers to promote and then earn a commission anytime you get a sale. Once you create your Digistore24 accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer that you can promote so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. There are a lot of different offers that you can select. You can, as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can select to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote. If you want to select the products based on categories, you can come right here. You can see product categories. They have digital products, they have events and seminars, services, physical products. Any of these categories that you click on, you get subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see under the digital products, they have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationship. You can see email marketing, education, and a whole lot of different others that you can click on to get available products that you can promote. If you click on events and seminars, you get products that you can promote. If you click on services, you get products that you can promote. Physical products, you can get products that you can promote. As you can see, under physical products, they have skincare and they have supplements. The supplements, there are about 156 supplements that you can promote to earn a commission. So any of these products that you want, just click on it so that you can find the right product that you can promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of the best products that you can promote right now so that you can be making money from home. What you have to do is that you have to come on the search bar and then search for job. Just search for job. Once you search for it, you can see these are jobs that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different jobs that you can promote. This one, for example, if you promote it, you are going to be earning a commission of $180.27. There are many jobs that you can promote. As at school, you can see a whole lot of different jobs that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want and then promote it. There are a lot of them, so you can click on the different pages to find the right product that you can promote. In this case, I'm going to click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is a product that you can promote. The commission rate is $125.16. You can see the next one, you're going to be earning $472.46. So any of them that you want, you can promote it. You can see this one, get paid as live chat assistant. You are going to be earning $31.99. That is the commission rate, and there are many others. You can see the next one, $59, and many others. Any of them that you want, just click on it. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting this one right here. Although the commission rate is very low, by the traffic source that we are going to be using, this product will be the best that we can promote. So we are going to be promoting this product. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see other details of the product. You can see the price, you can see the commission is 75%. You can see a whole lot of different information. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. You want to get familiar with the product before you promote it. You can see this is the landing page of the product, so your potential visitors are going to see a page like this before they decide to purchase the product. You can see the product owner has a video educating people about the product, so your potential visitors will watch the video. Once they watch it, if it is convincing, they can go ahead and then make a purchase for you to earn money. Apart from that, your potential visitors are also required to take a short quiz. Once they take the short quiz, it will determine whether they are qualified to work online or not. So they have to take the quiz. Once they take the quiz, they can be able to get access to the job. Once they get access, you are going to be paid. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then get to this page so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to this page. We have paid traffic source, we have the free traffic source. You can use the paid traffic source, but in this case what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic source so that you can be making money. Once you make the money, you can then invest that money into paid ads so that you can increase your earning. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Digistore24.com. This is a website that is based in Canada, and the best part is that you can post your ad on this website for free. About 99% of the people who visit this website are from Canada, so you are going to be getting highly targeted traffic source to your affiliate link. You are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. You are not required to pay anything before you post an ad onto this website, so you can sign up for an account wherever you are in the world and then begin to post your ads. To create an account, just click right here, sign up. Once you click on it, you are going to get a form that you can fill so that you can be able to create your free accounts without paying for anything. You can see you have to enter your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, click on submit. Once that is done, they're going to send you an activation link that you can click on to activate your accounts so that you can begin posting your ads. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, place ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the right category of the product that you are promoting. So you can see these are categories. Just select the one that best match the product that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. So make sure you search for the right category. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, the product that we are promoting is a job. So click right here, local/work jobs. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see the types of jobs that you can post on the website. You can see a whole lot of different jobs that you can post on the website. So what you have to do is that you have to select the category of jobs that you are promoting. You can see they have accounting and finance jobs, advertising and public relations job, arts and entertainment jobs, and many others. So just select the one that best describes the job that you are posting. You can see a whole lot of them. So scroll and then select the right one. The product that you are promoting is a social media job. So what you have to do is that you have to select market. So you can scroll down and then select marketing. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select marketing. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to upload an image of the offer that you are promoting. So you can come back on the product landing page, click on affiliate support page. Once you click on the affiliate support page of the product, you can see different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have landing pages, email swipe, banners, product images, Pinterest pins, videos, and a whole lot of different things that you can use to promote the product. In this case, we are looking for images, so click on product images. Once you click on it, you can see these are the product images that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them, so just select the one that you want so that you can use it. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this one right here. So click on download image. Once you click on it, the image is going to open like this. Right click on the image and then select save image as. Once that is done, click on save and the image has been saved. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back right here and then click on this icon so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on it, you can see it is uploading. Whilst it is uploading, just scroll down so that you can enter the rest of the details. You can see title, so you have to enter the title of your ad. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the product support page. Once you come back on the affiliate support page, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, email swipes. Once you click on it, you can see these are email swipes that you can use. These email swipes contain information about the product. You can select any of them and then use it to promote the product. In this case, I'm going to click on the first one and then see what it contains. You can see the first one. This is it. You can see the subject. If you don't want it, you can close it. Come to the page 2. You can see this is the subject line. If you don't want this, you can click on any of them and then use it to promote the product. You can see everything. So let's click on the 4. Once you click on the 4, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using this one, so just highlight and then copy the email subject. Once that is done, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see the salary. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the salary here. In this case, you can see the image earn $25 per hour. So what you have to do is that you have to enter the same amount. So scroll down to the button and then click on $25. Just enter $25 per hour. Once that is done, you're going to select monthly, and then the maximum you can earn up to, let's enter any random figure. We can say 65, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the description. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the email swap that you copied. You can see the description, you can see the body of the email. Just highlight and then copy it as your description. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your website link. This is where you're going to enter your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Digistore24, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied to your clipboard. What you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, you can enter your phone number here, but it is not required. If you want, you can enter your phone number or you can leave it. In this case, I'm not going to enter any phone number. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your postal code. So if you have a postal code, you can do that, but in this case, I'm not going to do that. Apart from that, you have to also enter a location. So you can enter any location that you want. You can see they have Alberta, British Columbia, and then the rest. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select Alberta. Once you select Alberta, the next step is that you have to select the city. So just select any of them that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then submit the ad. So just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, if you want, you can upgrade your ad. If you want your ad to be featured for 5 days, you have to pay $5. For 7 days, you have to pay $8. If you want your ad to be featured on the home page, you have to pay $25. You can see featured ad, you have to pay $14. Any of the options that you want, you can upgrade, but in this case I want to post it for free, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to click right here, I agree, so click on it. Once that is done, you can see it may take up to 15 minutes for your ad to be fully posted, so you have to be aware of that. Now once that is done, click right here, place ad. As you can see, your ad is posting, so you have to wait for it. You can see it is posting, just wait for it. Just wait for it to be posted. You can see it is posting. As you can see, your ad has been posted. Congratulations, your ad has been posted. So your ad has been posted onto this website and it's now live. People can see it and then click on it so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. As you can see, this is the preview of your ad. You can see it right here. This is the preview of your ad. You can see it right here. You can see your description, everything. So anytime people see it, they are going to click on it and then take the necessary action so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. So make sure you post a lot of ads onto this platform so that you can be earning money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.